Home remedies for cough and throat infections. Simple remedies for cough and throat infections are: first is cloves. They are great for soothing the throat. Suck on a clove to feel immediate relief from a sore throat. Second is licorice. Keep a piece of licorice root in your mouth. It helps reduce cough and irritation. The best remedy is kadha. If your cough persists or you feel a throat infection coming on, make kadha. Here's how. Ingredients: water, cloves, cardamom, pepper, tulsi leaves, ginger, turmeric. Steps: crush cloves, cardamom, and pepper. Add tulsi leaves and ginger to the mix. Boil these ingredients in water. Add a pinch of turmeric. Let it cool. Sip the drink throughout the day. This remedy helps in clearing up the cough and throat infections effectively.